Financing your dream home is easier with richmondcustomhomes.com by your side. If you're planning to qualify for an FHA loan in 2026, here's a simple step-by-step guide to help you get started. First, check your credit score. While FHA loans are flexible, improving your score can help you get better terms. Next, calculate your budget, including your down payment, monthly income, and existing debts. Step 3 is gathering your documents, such as income proof, tax returns, and bank statements. After that, get pre-approved so you know exactly how much home you can afford. Then, choose a home that meets FHA property standards and fits your budget. Once you apply, your lender will process your loan, order an appraisal, and verify all details. Finally, after approval, you move to closing and officially become a homeowner. Following these steps can make the FHA loan process smooth and stress-free, even if you're a first-time buyer. For more info, Duane Buziak, Mortgage Maestro, NMLS 1110647. Call 804-212-8663. Email Duane at coast2coastmall.com. And visit richmondcustomhomes.com.